Today we are going to solve a percentage sample problem. We have here 12 and 1/2% of 200 is what number? A 50, B 25, C 12, or D 13. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to convert the percentage, which is 12.5% into decimal or fraction. Then after that, we are going to multiply it by 200. So first, let's convert it. So 12 in 1/2, that is 12.5%. So to convert a percentage to a decimal, divide by 100. So 12.5 divided by 100 is equals to 0.125. And then we are going to multiply it sa 200 times 200. Our answer is 25. So that is letter B.